Hi, welcome to this video, which is all about Forex day trading courses for beginners. Now, there's a lot of traders who come in the markets. I would say the majority actually want to trade shorter term. There's a lot that want to help. They want to get a course, a ready-made strategy to lead them to success. Now, in terms of Forex day trading, does it work? No, it doesn't work at all. Any course seller who is selling a strategy and says they make money with it can never give any evidence that they can do so. Now, I just want to go through the myth and reality of Forex day trading. A few key points that you should keep in mind. You can go and check them out for yourself. If you check out the facts, you'll see you can't make money day trading longer term. What you need to do if you want to come in the Forex markets is basically not day trade and scalp. You need to have a strategy that's longer term, either swing trading, trading for a few days, or longer term trend following. Day trading, you'll make a lot of effort, but you won't win. Right, here are the points, and you can see the facts for yourself and also go and check them out. Right, let's look at the myth of Forex day trading success against the real reality, and I've drawn up 5 points. Now, the first myth, obviously, that is sold by course sellers is, you can make consistent profits longer term. They'll put up track records that have really good profits with very little drawdown, okay? But the reality is track records are made up in hindsight or just basically lies. The reality is no course seller has a real-time track record. You can just go and check. You won't find an audited track record. You'll never see them give you their trade, so you can check how much money they make with them in advance. You just won't find a track record. If you do, I'd be very interested to see it, okay? Also, if you just look at what the top traders in the world do, just go and see if you can find a top fund manager who day trades. None of them do. You can just look up the statistics. Obviously, they know it doesn't make money. Now, why doesn't it make money? Well, there is obviously the myth you can forecast prices in minutes or hours with technical analysis, okay? The reality is, the chart does look orderly, okay, when you look backwards on it, okay? But so would a second chart, probably. The reality is, most of the time, in short time periods, the price action is just random. It's just the normal ebb and flow of the markets, okay? And in terms of this, you've got to keep in mind that Forex markets, it's not just all about speculation, okay? People looking for prices to rise or fall. There's people in there, for example, who'll be hedging. There'll be people who will actually be doing business transactions as well. For example, big corporations like Apple, Sony, Samsung will be moving billions across borders. The Forex markets facilitate global trade. So you've got a huge amount of smaller transactions that are going through, people buying houses, smaller business exporting and importing. The short-term price action is just basically random. That's why you can't make money out of it. Now, there is a myth that Forex prices are really volatile. They're not, if you think about it. The only thing that makes them volatile is leverage. It's just an illusion. If you've got 100 to 1 leverage or 200 to 1, of course it looks volatile. But in reality, if you were to take away the leverage, Forex prices most of the time just simply do not move very much at all. Now, day traders will tend to basically use high leverage, okay, which is basically a disaster waiting to happen longer term. You can not trade with low risk and high reward, which day trading course sellers will tell you. Why? Because the reality is the probability is not on your side, because you're trading random noise, and neither are expected payouts. And if you're trading, you don't know what expected payouts are, you should look up what the term means, because the expected payout is basically how much you can make against the risk you're going to take. Now, a lot of course sellers will tell you can trade with 20 pip stop losses, 30 pip stop losses, and then make, let's say, 50 or 60 on the other side. Well, just look at Forex price action in an average day. from the high to the low, you'll probably normally find it's 100 pips. So if you use 20 or 30 pips, your chance of getting stopped out are high, okay? And you're going for a relatively small reward on the other side. Most of the time, you're going to get stopped out if you use very close stop losses, okay? Some day traders trade for small profits and actually use quite wide stop losses, not expecting to get hit. Well, that basically doesn't make any sense at all, because you're going to get a lot of small profits maybe, but if you don't trade with a tight stop, then you're going to lose as well, aren't you? Because you might have even more winners than losers, but your losers are going to be bigger than your winners, which is totally against what you should be doing in Forex trading. So that there are no expected payouts and you haven't got the probability on your side. The other myth about Forex trading is, more effort you make, the more profits you're going to make. So if you sit around at the screen all day, you can basically force profits from the markets. Well, we've already said Forex markets don't do much most of the time. So what's the point of that? The work ethic does not apply in Forex trading. It's not about making effort. It's about trading high probability trades, and they don't come around every day. The traders who make money from the markets are the ones who are very selective in their trades and who are basically very, very patient. And I think that's good news. The less effort you make, effectively, the more money you can make. It's not to do with effort. Okay, so those 5 points, you can go check the facts for yourselves. But I think the real proof that Forex day trading does not make money is the fact you never see a real-time audited track record. You never see the course sellers trades in real time. It's just a totally great way to lose money. And why is it so popular? Well, obviously the myths make it popular, okay? Forex brokers are in on the game as well. They want you to day trade. They'll tell you it'll make money. They know it doesn't. They just want you to trade. The more you trade, the more money they're going to make. So if you want to trade the Forex markets, make profits, make sure you trade longer term. That is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.